Today, we're diving into the all-new Control Center in iOS 18. Apple's finally given us more control over this handy feature, and I'm here to show you exactly how to make it work for you. Let's get started. Alright, swipe down from the top right corner to access the Control Center. Now tap the little plus icon in the top left corner. This puts the Control Center into edit mode. See how all the controls have a dotted outline around them? This means you can drag and drop the options in the Control Center to change their order, allowing you to prioritize the functions you use most frequently. Simply press and hold an icon until it becomes movable, then drag it to your preferred position. Additionally, you can resize certain elements for a more customized experience. This feature provides a high level of personalization, enabling you to tailor the Control Center to suit your specific needs and preferences. So go ahead, explore different configurations, resize as necessary, and have some fun making the Control Center truly yours. Now, let's say you want to add a control that's not already there. Tap on the Add a Control button at the bottom. Here, you'll see a whole list of additional controls you can choose from. There's stuff for notes, screen recording, magnifier, and tons more. Once you've got your Control Center looking just the way you like it, simply swipe up on the screen to exit edit mode. So there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to completely customize the Control Center in iOS 18. Now you've got all the controls you need right at your fingertips, making it easier than ever to control your iPhone. If you liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.